Let's compare the Foxease garden hose, which you can see here. This is a metal garden hose. I really like it. It's a stainless steel, so it's very strong. I've been using it for a couple of seasons. You do have to attach your own sprayer to the end of it, but once you've got that, it's very strong and easy to coil up. And I really just like that it has this nice kind of different look from your typical garden hose. Now the Joey's Garden, this is another one that I use. I find this works great too, and for another reason. So this is actually an expandable garden hose. When it's pressurized with water, which it is right now, you can see it's just like a normal hose, and it goes for a nice long distance. But as soon as you switch off the water, it actually compresses. This whole thing sort of collapses, and you can coil it up into a space that's about a foot or two. So it's easy to coil it up and keep it stored away when you're not using it. I really like that. So I think the Foxease is great if you want to have a hose for use in the garden or areas where there's going to be a little bit more contact with it. The stainless steel keeps it protected, but I really like the Joey's Garden because it is so easy to just fold it up and stow it away for areas where maybe you're going to use it sometimes to wash the car, that kind of thing, but you don't need to use it and drag it across the ground all the time.